Local setup for futures position on ALGO USDT. I would like to share my ideas and what indicator shows now on ALGO USDT. Honestly, one of not so many tokens, ALGO looks like its format. So 3 drives pattern already, at least on the 12 time frame and the daily. So usually when we form 3 sweeps, like 1, 2, 3. So this was the Donald Trump dump. And many tokens, for example, after the Donald Trump dump, like ICP, it's traded here. Algo dump it's so hard. That's why now for me, that bounce on Algo looks a logical one, not just because of Algo is something special, no, just a pure speculation, but I don't think so. We will drop under that historical low of March 26, 7 cents 95. My alerts added, and I just add this alerts just in case if we will see some flash crash in the market, I could start tracking the potential one more time spot entry. I already hold the algo, but this is my zone of interest for the spot positions. Everything what is under, let's say 8 cents, I will start looking. So maybe step by step with some grid, I will start buying some small portion of the algo again to make my main position better with the DCA. Now I'm not buying any algo. You remember we use the FIB when we got like impulse correction. Impulse, this is a distribution zone, and we stop it at 0.5. Once again, my zone of interest for the futures trade can be at this block. So 861, 896. So this is what I wish to see, not drop under this low, but slowly this summer from a correction and start climbing up to the top. This is going to be just for me personally, the brilliant trade with a second leverage. I can hold, I don't know, till even my main targets. So it could be the good risk ratio entry. If we double check, let's mark this like a red one. If we count, for example, not like a main my custom FIB, right? If we count just basic one, so we're ready for the this one like impulse and the correction to 0.5. But for me personally, it's not correct because the impulse added here, and we're ready for the correction to 0.5. That's why we rejected at 27 level. So this is it. This is about the FIB. Let's double check the trade on, take profit, and smart money concept zones. Trade on, we didn't see the signal take profit yet. I add alerts, take profit signal still in play. I'm waited for entry long. I waited to take profit from that short position. It's a daily time frame. It's really important to see the take profit, so that money back when we need to close all short position and start looking at once again the buy signals. So no signals yet. 12 time frame, also no signals for take profit. What does it mean? It means it's too early to open long position. It looks like it's okay to start open position now, but for me not, because under is a lot of gaps, stable gaps on 12 time frame. Here's a gaps on the daily time frame. No signal take profit from the sales. So that's why I'm not rushed to open any position. If we, let's hide this FIB, this one. And if we check the order blocks, also hide the favorable gaps and the break of structure. This is the liquidity pool. Not so often you could find the liquidity, right, zones, but this is a liquidity what most likely will come back and sweep it. Is it possible to see, for example, now the price movement like 1, 2, 3 drives pattern to this 15 cents and the summer drop? Yes. Yes, it's more than real to see. But I wish to see, of course, now sweep all the line around 9 cents, 9.50, maybe 8.90, and going higher in I don't know, maybe middle of summer. So that zone is for me personally the zone of interest for the futures trade. At this zone, it's spot positions. Maybe some news about Algo now. Algo jumped 5% on as Robinhood. Oh, come on. Robinhood listing. If you've been here in Zone 21, You remember the Robinhood listing? That time was like now it's an upbeat listing. Every single time, everybody prays so that when the Robinhood are gonna list some token. And I remember when the Robinhood list it or made an announcement about they list the Shiba Inu. Wow, everybody's screaming, we're going to the moon because it's a Robinhood. Now the Robinhood is literally nothing. So personally, it's not affect the price at all. So even every single major announcement of the upbeat listing of some tokens, it's could pump the token to, I don't know, 30%, 50% in one daily candle, right? Or even the 200 in the 1 week. That's why I don't know, that Robinhood listing is not something special personally for me. So this is not like a main wow news, but it can push the price higher. So to form like 1, 2, 3, three drive pattern to the 1565 to test the order block, and after that go into correction. Weekly time frame, like you can see, I don't know. We're not close to the gap. That's why on a weekly time frame, it's going to be the like gap, and it's most likely here. I will be not surprised if we drop it here. And let me check the gaps. Come on, I would open the settings. Come on here, break of structure and the gaps, favorable gaps on a weekly. Here, on the 0.5 low by people of weekly time frame gap. Let's add alert. This is one more reason why I'm not rushing now. A bullish favorable gap, 50% touch. So this is going to be the entry. This liquidity pool, this is a 50%. More than good entry. And of course, wait to the main target. Take profits, we underrated, right? The buy line we already tested and rejected. Remember, while it's 9 cents 80. Daily time frame buy line is 6 cents 83. I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low, right? But if we will, this is my spot zone, the zone of interest spot, and I think the lines will curve higher this summer and will be here. I don't know, by middle of the or end of the June, for example, in this area. Now we can see even this move and crash it down from 3 drive pattern. That's why, guys, this zones is for the short position. Just add alert to the lines and track it. And this zone's for the futures trade, this zone for the spot. Right, please in a comment what you think about Algorand. Now, if you like to trade and double check all other indicators, data, right, medium. See you next time.